Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's February 2nd. Guess what? It's the 100th day of school. I saw some kindergartners and first graders getting all dressed up like grannies and grandpas today. I love that. It's also Groundhog Day today. If you see me around school, can you let me know? Did the groundhog see his shadow? Are we going to have more winter? Are we going to have spring soon? I don't know, but it's Groundhog Day, so let me know if the groundhog saw his shadow. We're talking about relationships this week. One of the cool things about Achieve is that we spend a lot of time building healthy relationships. Your teachers are just amazing at this. They love you. They take care of you. They teach you how to be a good friend. And we're talking about a whole bunch of different virtues this week that help you build relationships. Before we get into that, let's do the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand with me? Stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. Show me a good slant. Yesterday we talked about love and how showing people love is obviously one of the keys to having a good relationship. Today we're going to talk about a virtue that I don't think we've talked about in quite a while, but it's actually one of my favorite virtues, and it's super important. It's the virtue of gentleness. And you can tell that I kind of made my voice a little more gentle. And gentle means like being soft, right? Gentle means like the way you hold a little kitten or a puppy and you just pet it softly. You don't want to go too hard. You don't want to give it a big squeeze like I do to my big dog, because if you did that with that little puppy, you could actually hurt it. But to have healthy relationships, you need to be gentle with your words and with your personality, and just be gentle to your friends. So I put a few questions up that are going to be on your screen in a second. And I want you to talk to your class about how can you be gentle with your friends. You know what? Sometimes they're going to do things that make you mad. This works for brothers and sisters too. Sometimes your brother's going to do something that makes you mad. How can you be gentle? Sometimes you actually need to go tell an adult. How can you do that and go get help from an adult without saying, I'm telling on you, and making the other person super mad? How can you be gentle? Like, what would be a way of showing gentleness that you actually care about that person? Get help from the adult, fix the problem, and then your relationship is even healthier than it was before. So here's some questions on the screen, and I will let you discuss them with your teacher and think about how you can use gentleness to have a better relationship this week. Have a great day, Achieve.